If the color used in the video is different from the material package you received, please refer to the material package you received. Our video is only for clearly demonstrating specific stitches. Next, let's crochet the daisy bookmark, and I'll demonstrate how to crochet it. First, we'll start with the flower center. Take out the yellow coarse-spun yarn, and use a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin. For the first round, we need to start with a magic ring and crochet a total of 6 single crochet stitches. Now, let me show you how to crochet a magic ring. First, hold the yarn tail and wrap the yarn around your little finger, then bring it over your index finger. Next, loop the yarn once around your middle finger, and press it down with your thumb. Insert the crochet hook into the loop. Yarn over, and pull it through. This completes the magic ring. Yarn over again, and pull through the loop on the hook. This creates a chain stitch to begin your work. Let me demonstrate how to crochet a single crochet stitch. First, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull it through. At this point, there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, and pull through both loops in one motion. That completes one single crochet stitch. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch to mark its position. Next, continue crocheting 5 more single crochet stitches. Once all 6 single crochet stitches are complete, remove your finger from the loop and pull the shorter yarn tail tight to close the magic ring. Remove the stitch marker, and at the stitch marker position, make a slip stitch. Now, let me show you how to crochet a slip stitch to finish the round. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, and pull through all the loops on the hook in one motion. This completes the slip stitch and finishes the first round. Let's crochet the second round. This round consists of repeating a single crochet stitch followed by a single crochet increase stitch to form a group. There are 3 groups in total, resulting in 9 stitches at the end of the round. Begin with a chain stitch to start the round. Crochet 1 single crochet stitch. Then make a single crochet increase stitch, which means crocheting 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Repeat the process for the remaining groups on your own. Once all the groups are complete, remove the stitch marker and finish the round with a slip stitch. Leave a length of yarn and cut it. With that, the center of the daisy is complete. First, let's crochet the flower base. Take out the light green coarse-spun yarn, and use a 2.5 mm crochet hook. I'll demonstrate the steps. For the first round, we start with a magic ring and crochet a total of 6 single crochet stitches. Begin by making a chain stitch to start the round, then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. Once completed, pull the shorter yarn tail tight to close the magic ring. Remove the stitch marker and finish the round with a slip stitch. With that, the first round is complete. Next, let's crochet the second round. This round consists of repeating a single crochet stitch followed by a single crochet increase stitch to form a group. There are 3 groups in total, resulting in 9 stitches by the end of the round. Begin with a chain stitch to start the round. Crochet 1 single crochet stitch. Then make a single crochet increase stitch. The remaining 2 groups can be completed on your own. After finishing, remove the stitch marker and complete the round with a slip stitch. Leave a length of yarn and cut it. With that, the daisy's flower base is complete. Next, let's crochet the petals. Start by taking the flower base and the flower center. Tie the 2 excess yarn tails from the flower base and flower center together. Then hide them inside. Trim off the excess yarn. Place the flower base and flower center back to back, aligning them stitch by stitch. This will ensure a neat and secure connection as we proceed. Take the white yarn and wrap it around your hand. Holding it against the back of the work. Locate the first stitch of the flower center and the first stitch of the flower base. Yarn over and pull through to secure the yarn. Now, crochet 6 chain stitches. Then, work in reverse, working back into the chain, into the back ridge of each chain stitch, which is the raised ridge on the back of the chain. Skip the first back ridge and start in the second back ridge by crocheting a single crochet stitch. Next, crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Here's how to crochet a double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the back ridge, yarn over again, and pull through. At this point, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That completes 1 double crochet stitch. Let me show you another example of a double crochet stitch. After completing the 2 double crochet stitches, continue by crocheting a single crochet stitch into the next back ridge. Skip the last back ridge, and make a slip stitch directly into the next stitch of the flower base and flower center. Place the excess yarn over the hook to hide it as you crochet. With that, 1 petal is complete. Let me demonstrate another petal. Final, make a slip stitch into the next stitch, hiding the excess yarn as you work. At this point, 2 petals are complete. You can finish the remaining petals on your own. Once the final petal is completed, make a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round, then extend the loop and leave a length of yarn before cutting the excess. With that, the daisy flower is finished.